Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, today I will be making my hair. My hair is already washed. I've applied some products on my hair and I'm at the salon. They started making my hair. I'm using this passion twist extension to make my hair. The hair is so tiny, guys. Do you know that this hair took 9 hours, 9 good hours of sitting down to make this hair? At a point I wanted to even cry because the hair was so tiny. I didn't know that it would take a lot of time like this. I was telling the hairstylist, why did you tell me that it would take time? So guys, today I'm heading out. I want to go and get some few things at the market. This is my new hairstyle, guys. Is it beautiful? So I want to go and get little things from the market. I will not spend much time, and also I'll be going to the salon also to meet the hairstylist for her to style this hair for me. I want her to style it because I'm not good at styling of hair like every time, you know. So guys, come along with me. Let's go. So guys, I am done styling the hair. Now I'm heading to the market. I forgot to record. I'm sorry guys. Ah God. Now 2,000.
Now 2,000 the collector now.
I beg now.
Let's go test it now.
For this one. Oh wow. Maybe you said it's 3,000. Well, I will pay 2,000.
No wahala.
Hey God, see the way you made it. It's very flat.
Now so now how we can't take measure one month.
Hey, for salon. Hi guys, I just returned back home from the salon. As you can see, they already styled the hair for me. I forgot to record. And from there I went straight to the market. So I just got back home. I'm so tired. And I bought some few things from the market. Let me show you. I got this, some toilet paper, some air freshener, and I got this sachet. Some vegetable leaf, green leaf. I'll be putting it in the fridge. So guys, I hope you are enjoying the video. Please do well to hit the like button to like the video, subscribe, share, and drop your comments at the comment section, guys. Thank you so much for the love. I appreciate you. God bless you. bought this for 2,500. I want to turn it in this Ziploc bag. I wanted to put it in the Ziploc bag, but I don't have strength. Sponge for washing plates. Foam for washing plates. Wetin come with this? I don't even know wetin dey. Potato. It's potato. I have to go and turn it on the floor. Irish potato. I bought tomato. Can you imagine? Wow, in the world.